In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Rivian Automotive stock, ticker symbol RIVN in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into the Wealthsimple app, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Then at the top here, press on the Discover bar, simply to search up the ticker symbol. So search up RIVN. Then once you're here, Rivian Automotive Inc., press on that right there. Now to buy this stock, as of right now, it's trading at $20.43 American. Keep in mind, if you are buying in Canada, you are actually buying in American money. So it'll be a bit of a transfer fee, but you'll see that very shortly. Simply just press on buy. Then we're going to go ahead and press on stocks. And on this screen, if you wanted to buy a fractional purchase, so if I wanted to buy, $5 worth, for example, I'll just search up 5 and then press continue. But also at the top, you can press on a fractional buy and either do a limit buy, a market buy, a stop limit buy, or a recurring buy. But we'll just do a fractional buy for this video, then press on continue. Then on this screen, if you want to confirm your order, go to the bottom, press on confirm order. And as you can tell, it says includes 1.5% fee. You could have saved 8 cents on FX fees with USD accounts. So if that interests you guys, make sure to go check that out. But basically, that is how you guys can buy a Rivian Automotive stock, ticker symbol RIVN in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.